Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a batch process in Photoshop. You can perform certain operations in bulk using the batch feature. This is extremely useful when you need to apply the same edit to a large number of images. For example, let's say you want to increase the brightness of hundreds of photos. Normally, what we do is go to Image, then Adjustments, and select Brightness and Contrast. Then we adjust the brightness of the photo. But what if you need to perform the same task on hundreds of photos? Instead of doing it manually one by one, you can automate the entire process. To get started, go to Window, then click on Actions. Click the plus icon to create a new action. In the pop-up, give it a name, and then click Record. From this point on, Photoshop will record everything you do. Go to the brightness settings just like before and create a brightness adjustment layer as you normally would. When you're done, click on File, then Save a Copy, and in the pop-up, click OK. Once everything is finished, click the Stop button in the Actions panel to finalize the action. Now it's time to run that action on multiple files. Go to File, then Automate, and choose Batch. In the Batch dialog box, select the action you just created. Next, click Choose and select the source folder that contains your original unedited images. After that, set the destination to Folder and choose where the final processed images will be saved. Before running the batch, make sure 3 important checkboxes are enabled. Turn on Suppress File Open Options dialogs, Suppress Color Profile Warnings, and Override Action Save As commands. Enabling these options prevents any pop-up windows from interrupting the batch process. Once everything is set, click OK, and Photoshop will automatically apply the action to every image in the folder. Now, if I go to the Save location, you can see that all of my images are edited and saved in one folder without me having to edit them one by one. This greatly reduces the time required for your work. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.